All right, so here's my table, here's my radius, and here's the area I get. When the area is 1, right, we have pi r squared, so it's just pi. When the area is 2, 2 squared gives me 4, so then we have 4 pi. When we have 3, we have 9 pi. When we have 4, we have, this is going to be 16 pi, and of course 5 is 25 pi. Okay, so this is what we get, right? Now, really, pi is 3.14. So you can estimate this, yeah, right? Even with just 3, right? So using a rough estimate of all of these, right, values here, where pi is 3, you end up getting just 3. You get 12. Right here, you end up getting 21, 48, and of course 75, right? As you can see, right, our R value, so instead of X, Y here, we're going to have R and A, okay? So then at 1, we'll get approximately 3. So that's around here. At 2, we'll get approximately 12. So we've just jumped all the way up to here, right? And then at 3, we're going to jump even higher, almost double, right? So if I have to move this down just a little bit, right? If I just increase this a little bit, we know that when you plug in for 3, you have to get 21. So if this is 12, 21 might be somewhere here. Right? So then when you connect the rest of the dots, right, what happens is it won't be a straight line like so, because as you can see, it misses that point. So instead, it's going to be a slight curve. Okay, so it's going to curve and then connect these points, right? And it's going to continue for the other 2 points here.